Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to set the time and date on the GoPro. This is the GoPro HERO9 Black. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you got a battery in there and power it on. Push the power on button. Wait for the screen to come up here. Once the screen comes up, take your finger towards the top of the display and swipe down. Then you'll see this menu. Once you see this menu, swipe to the right and then select Preferences. Oops. So once you've selected Preferences, you select General. Sometimes the screen's not super responsive. I found that if you click the word towards the left, it works best. Now just scroll down. And then here you can see the time. So you could click time to set the time, the date to set the date, and then also the date format. I've currently got it in month, day, year. But for example, if you select time, then you can go in here and you can scroll up and scroll down and set the time. Mine's already set. But then you would just click the check to save the time that you've set. I'm not going to make any changes, so I'm just going to go back. Same with the date. If you click date, you can scroll up and scroll down to choose the date and then click the check button to set it. But I'm already set, so I'm just going to hit this to go back. So that's it. That's how to set the time and date on the GoPro. Again, this is the GoPro HERO9 Black, but the same or similar procedure will probably work with your GoPro too. And keep in mind that I'm using the latest GoPro HERO9 Black firmware at the time of posting this. So with firmware updates, the interface may change. Thanks for your viewership, and be sure to subscribe. And if you have any other GoPro questions, please ask, and I'll try to film a video response. Y'all have a good one. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.